Welcome to Living a Sustainable Dream, and I'm Krista. Today, I'm cleaning out the chicken coop. Oh yeah, it's the biannual event. But this year, since we have our tractor, I decided I'm going to go ahead and try and use the tractor and help out my back a little bit. So why don't you come with me, and I'll show you how I'm going to use this tractor. I just got finished taking my first load from the coop down to our compost pile with the tractor. How easy was that? Oh my gosh, my back even got to recoup a little bit while I'm just driving the stuff from my coop, from my chickens down there to the compost pile. So nice. And you know, this morning before my husband left, he had to unhitch our generator from the back of our tractor in order for me to be able to use it today to clean out the coop. I just want to thank you so much, babe, for doing that. Makes this job so much easier, and you get to have a little fun driving the tractor at the same time. I want to thank you guys for joining me today on Living a Sustainable Dream, and I'll catch you next time on our next video. Have a great day.